Hello, dear students. Before we proceed to our new lesson, let's be reminded for our online class rules. First, you need to open your camera during the online class. Second, use raise hand option to speak. Third, listen to the instruction carefully. Fourth, complete the task in time. And fifth, use chat box only to write answers. So remember these online class rules. Before we start our new lesson, let's do the pre-assessment. For this activity, you will answer 4 questions that are related to our previous topic. Click this link to complete the pre-assessment activity. The time limit for this activity is only 3 minutes. After completing the pre-assessment activity, let's move to the next one. You will complete the diagram by writing the correct name of animal. On the left side of this presentation, you will see the different animals, like the duck, chicken, lizard, and snake. This is the diagram. So you will write the correct name of animal for number 1, 2, 3, and 4. These animals have feathers, yes or no? It can swim, yes or no? It has legs, yes or no? So you're going to write the correct name that corresponds to the description to complete the diagram. You have only 3 minutes to do this activity. Today, you will learn Lesson 2.5 using identification keys. On your student book, it is on page number 32 to 33. For the learning objectives of this lesson, first, identify the different animals using a simple key. Second, make a simple identification key. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify the different animals using a simple key. And you can make a simple identification key. For your next task, read the definition of the keyword using the glossary of your student book. The keyword is identification key. So using the glossary of your student book, you will see the definition of this keyword, which is identification key. To give some information and important points about this topic, one of your classmates will discuss about identification key and how you're going to use it to classify the different animals. What is an identification key? An identification key is a list of the characteristics of an object or organism that is used to classify it, or it is a set of questions that can be answerable by yes or no. So this identification key or a list of characteristics are used to classify or identify the different animals. Now, let us see how we're going to use the identification key to identify the different animals. I have here different insects: ladybird, grasshopper, bee, butterfly, and an ant. What are the different characteristics of insect? They have single pair of antennae on the head, have 3 pairs of legs, often have wings and can fly. Some have stripes on their body, have brightly colored body, and some have hard shells on their body. So this set of characteristics of insect is what we call identification key. So this identification key, we're going to identify each insect: the ladybird, grasshopper, bee, ant, and butterfly. For the next activity, you will have the Jamboard activity. Click this link to complete this activity. So using the different characteristics of insect, you will identify each insect. Now, for your pair work, click this link to complete the activity. The time limit for this activity is only 5 minutes. For your pair work activity in the Jamboard, you will create a simple identification key. Think of the different animals and create a simple identification key. Now, for your assessment, you will do the live worksheet activity. Click this link, enter your username and the password, and you will see the assigned work for you. The time limit for this activity is only 5 minutes. For the plenary, click this link to complete the activity. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. For your additional activity, just download the homework task PDF in the school portal and do each activity. Keep safe everyone and have a good day.